Good morning. Welcome to closing day. I feel like y'all can't really see me. My hair is slightly curled, so I'm gonna put it up. But welcome to closing day. We have finally made it. I actually did like a rant start to this vlog like 2 weeks ago because we were supposed to close on this house like 3 weeks ago now. This is week 3. So this buying a house, building a house, closing on a house process is not fun, but the day has finally arrived. We are closing this morning in actually an hour or so. So I just dropped the dog off. That's why I'm in the car. It is freezing cold in Texas. I honestly did not think it was gonna get this cold when I moved here, and I'm still in coats. Is this Connecticut? No. Yeah, so hopefully everybody drives nice and safely so we can just sign these papers and go. And then we will be like loading up our cars and moving like clothes and like lighter things that we can like move ourselves. And then the moves are coming tomorrow morning. Hopefully they don't cancel on me because it's supposed to like freeze over or something, and Texas people don't drive when it's frozen because they don't have salt here. And you know, in Connecticut, well, in the Northeast, I shouldn't say just Northeast, I should say like New England area, you know, they put down salt on the roads as soon as they hear that it's going to start snowing. So here in Texas, they don't do that. They just let it melt because it's going to be like hot the next day. So like for one day, everything shuts down. I hope that it starts like freezing and all that stuff when, you know, they've already moved everything in, because I don't want to push this again. It's just a lot of stuff. It's very, 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 very stressful, but I'm glad closing day is today. Well, it's Dalaska. But remember when we closed? Yes, we closed on the house and we still have not moved anything yet because I can't even, you guys cannot even see what is like, sorry. Y'all can't even see what's going on. Yeah, y'all kind of see it, but that's all ice outside. Good morning, everybody. It is moving day. Finally, after Dalaska, or like DFW ice freeze. I think my finger's in this actually. After the DFW ice freeze, everything's finally starting to melt. So I'm currently cleaning the fridge, making sure that is clean so these people do not charge me, and then I'm gonna pack up my car and supposed to be going. The movers are supposed to be coming in this time frame of like 11 to 2. So I think Brian's gonna be here, I'm not sure, but the Wi-Fi guy is supposed to be at the house at 10 a.m. and it's like almost 8 a.m. right now. Yeah, it's 7:47. What time is it? Yeah, 7:48, and the Wi-Fi guy is supposed to be coming at 10. I do not like people waiting, so I want to be there at 9:30. We went to the house yesterday actually to drop off like the food in the fridge, and everything was covered in ice. Like we couldn't even walk up the driveway. I had to call Brian to come and save me because I went there on like my lunch break. I couldn't even get out of my car. In fact, I couldn't even get my car out of the community because I have a small little Audi, and that thing is not good on top of ice. Okay, so hopefully today we actually move in. Okay, so y'all, we have officially moved in. This was basically our apartment. We still have a little bit of things that we still have some things that we have to go and get at the apartment, and everything like that, but this is our new home. Well, this is just the kitchen area. Don't mind the dog bed. I don't know where our dog is gonna sleep right now, but we are just so grateful. I'm like almost tears because like I just never imagined this, you know. It's just, thank you, Jesus, first off. But now this is what our whole weekend is going to look like, is basically unpacking and putting everything together and finding a place for everything. Hello everybody, happy Sunday. Welcome back to, just happy Sunday. Anyway, I feel like I was in better lighting over here. Anyway, so I wanted to check in. I feel like this whole vlog has been me showing you boxes, and we're not gonna do that. Anyway, but update, boxes are basically gone. Let me turn down this YouTube video. So I just want to check in with y'all and kind of show you what I'm doing today. We literally just got this TV mounted. How big is this thing? I don't handle TVs, my husband does. I'm just gonna watch. So we're gonna be in the kitchen today. It is my lady time. And I'm craving barbecue food, but we don't have a grill yet, okay? So what we are doing is baking it in the oven. You can bake ribs in the oven, okay? Nobody argue with me. Baking ribs in the oven and having like pasta salad, corn on the cob, you know, some other sort of vegetable I'm gonna add in there. But good morning, everybody. I know y'all have not seen my face in a long time. I think since I made like the Valentine's Day thing, but this is gonna be the end of the vlog because I didn't really do much. I'm currently taking a day to myself. I took off today, and the dog is in daycare. I don't have anybody to take care of but me today, so I'm going around to my usual places and just having a me day. So I just went to Target. I got a new pillow because I have been having horrible sleep. I can't sleep because of my pillow is too soft, and Brian sleeps with really like gel, like those gel pillows, like they're like the, I don't know, they're super like firm, and I wasn't a firm pillow person before I met him, and now I'm a firm pillow person. So this is my last time trying a pillow. I'll show you the type of pillow that I got when I get home. But my next stop is Whole Foods. I don't live over here anymore, so like while I'm in the area, I'm gonna hit all my spots. So I'm going to Whole Foods. I have to get the croissants. Love these croissants. These are the only croissants I eat. And then I have to get blueberries from here, and I think that's about it. Oh, and probably a juice. I was thinking about getting a juicer and trying to make these Whole Foods juice like at home, but like, am I really gonna use the juicer? I don't know. I have to ponder and think about that purchase before I just like randomly just purchase it. Anyway, I'm gonna go into the store, I get what I need to get, and then I'm gonna go to Trader Joe's. I haven't been to Trader Joe's in months. I'm telling you, months. So I'm excited. This is definitely a day for me. I love going to Trader Joe's. So I'm gonna go into Whole Foods, get my stuff, and get out of here. And then we will head to Trader Joe's.
East Coast, always in me, Commonwealth, Lil Joe, getting love from my city, yeah. I roll call for the DMV, in my own lane, you could still ride with me, yeah.
Lord knows I made mistakes.
You want in, but it's too late.
I don't need your support, just to know I'm important.
And I won't ever sell myself short, cause I know you see me on the come up. Big girl with big dreams and big drip. Talk is cheap, but please dare me to run up. I'ma put my money where my mouth is. Talk a good.
Okay, so I'm back home. I didn't even get out the car yet, y'all. I have all my groceries. And I'm gonna do a haul for you when I get back inside. But I stopped at Starbucks and I got a little drink. Dang, she didn't put the sticker on it. How am I supposed to even know if this was great or not? So I found this drink on TikTok, of course. Originally the drink is a venti ice matcha with 4 pumps of pistachio, and then on top of that the pistachio cream cold foam or whatever. Now what I said in the little thing in the speaker box, I said, can I get a grande iced matcha latte with oat milk, 3 pumps of the matcha, not 3 pumps of the pistachio syrup, and then vanilla cream cold foam on top, right? Now this don't look like what it is, but I'm gonna taste it for you because I feel like this is not how it's supposed to. Oh wait, I think it is. Hold on. Wow, okay. If you like that pistachio sauce that Starbucks came out with, I would suggest getting that in a matcha. It's very, very good. Very creamy. Very pistachio forward. But if you like it and that's your jam, you gotta get that. Y'all, so we are back inside. Let's do a little Trader Joe haul before I put everything away. First bag I think these are all like the cold items anyway. So the first bag, I got some, it better be lactose-free, lactose-free milk. I didn't feel like going to like 5 billion different stores, so I got their lactose-free milk. We are basically almost out, and since I told y'all I live far away now, so like these stores are like 20 to 30 minutes away from me instead of like 10 to 15 minutes, you know what I'm saying? So I had to make sure to like remember what's in the fridge so I don't have to keep coming back, you know what I'm saying? I got some mini cucumbers. These are my favorite like snack or like quick vegetable to throw in for like a dinner. You add some like balsamic dressing over it, oh my gosh, and pair it with like some tomatoes, feta, some red onions. Stop right now, it's delicious. Chips. What else I got over here? Some orange juice. They have some really great orange juice. It had to be like cloudy today. I got 2 of these, I don't even know, Fiochetti. These little bagged pastas. This is the best one, and it looks like this. If you're like ever going to Trader Joe's and you want to get one, get this. I had to get 2 because every single time I buy one, my husband eats it. And I'm like, honey, that was for me, okay? So I bought 2. Bread, the cheddar, they have the unexpected cheddar cheese spread. I heard that this was, oh my gosh, y'all can't see it because my big head is in there. The unexpected cheddar cheese spread. I heard so many good things about this, so this had to be in the cart. Fun fact, I really like salami. I didn't think I did, but paired with some crackers, cheese, and wine, I love salami. Oh, and then I got this Rossini wine. I don't know, I saw it on TikTok. I really need to stop like spending so much money because of the internet, but apparently this is really good. I love anything sweet, so pair this with a really dry Prosecco. It's gonna make your weekend. Put all these things in the fridge like pronto. Last bag, I got some naan. I got 2 of these green onion scallion pancakes. This is another thing. Put it in your cart, please. If you've never been to Trader Joe's and you don't know what to get, please listen to me, okay? Please listen to me. I got 2 of these. These are so good. Of course, had to get the hash browns, had to re-up. Also had to re-up on this corn. Best frozen corn ever. I'm telling you, best frozen corn ever. You have to get it. And that is it for my little Trader Joe's haul. I am going to end the vlog here. I know y'all are tired of listening to me talk, so I am done with the vlog today. Might start another one, but I'm glad you stuck around. Thank you for watching. You guys finally saw me move into a house. Y'all saw me move to Texas. Y'all saw me move into an apartment. And now you saw me move into a home. So I am so ready for what is in store in this next chapter of our lives. So thanks for watching, and I'll see y'all on the next video. Bye.